One of our top picks in London, located on the waterfront, DoubleTree by Hilton London Excel is just 0.8 kilometers from London City Airport. With a bar and restaurant, and the Docklands Light Railway is only 0.5 kilometers away. This 4-star hotel offers bright rooms each with free Wi-Fi access, a 40-inch LED TV and a private shower room with complimentary toiletries. Some of the spacious suites feature balconies, with views across the waterfront. This DoubleTree by Hilton London Excel has a fitness room with cardio equipment, free for all guests. With superb waterfront views, the restaurant provides modern Italian cuisine, prepared with the finest ingredients. The bar offers a relaxing space to enjoy a drink. There is also 24-hour room service available. A hot and cold breakfast buffet serves a range of fruits, home-baked croissants, fair trade coffee and a traditional English breakfast. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.